In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a survey using Zoho Survey. Whether you're gathering feedback for a product, conducting market research, or just curious about public opinion, creating an effective survey can provide valuable insights. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure your survey is set up for success. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Survey dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your surveys. If you're not familiar with it yet, take a moment to explore the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the Create New Survey button. This will kick off the process of designing your survey. You'll be prompted to give your survey a name and select a category. Choosing a descriptive name and the right category will help you keep your surveys organized, especially if you're planning to create multiple surveys. After you've entered the name and selected a category, go ahead and click the Create button. This will bring you to the survey editor. Now the fun part begins. Editing your survey. This is your chance to tailor the survey to your needs. Depending on your goals, you can add different types of questions, such as multiple choice, open-ended responses, or even ranking options. For those who might be using a template or past survey, you can start from a similar survey if it matches what you're aiming for. Let's walk through creating a sample question. Click on the area of the survey where you'd like to insert a question. You'll see options for different question formats. Choose the type that best suits the information you wish to gather. Write your question clearly and concisely to ensure participants understand what you're asking. Once your question is in place, it's time to create a sample answer. This involves setting up potential answers for your participants to choose from, if applicable. For example, in a multiple-choice question, you'll need to input the possible choices. Remember, the clarity in both questions and answers can significantly impact the quality of the responses you receive. After setting up your questions and answers, don't forget to click on Save. This step ensures that all your hard work is preserved. As soon as you save your survey, Zoho will automatically trigger a preview. It's a fantastic feature allowing you to see your survey from the participant's perspective. This is your chance to make any final adjustments to the layout or content if something doesn't look quite right. By following these steps, you'll have a polished and effective survey ready for distribution. Use this guide as a reference each time you create a survey, and you'll surely become a Zoho Survey Pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying!